Space exploration just hit a snag, and it's a big one. SpaceX's Starship V3 booster suffered a dramatic gas system failure during testing, raising questions about the future of this ambitious project. But here's where it gets controversial. Was this a minor setback, or a sign of deeper issues in the race to dominate space travel? Let's dive in. On Thursday morning, SpaceX confirmed that its third-generation Super Heavy booster, the powerhouse behind the two-stage Starship system, experienced what can only be described as an explosive gas anomaly during routine pressure testing. In a candid post on X, formerly Twitter, the company stated, Booster 18 encountered an unexpected issue during gas system pressure testing, which we were conducting as a precursor to structural proof testing. This incident, though startling, did not involve any propellant, as the engines were not yet installed. Thankfully, no injuries were reported, and SpaceX emphasized that safety protocols kept personnel well out of harm's way. But here's the part most people miss. The force of the gas release was so intense that it appeared to rupture the side of the booster's lower section. Footage shared by SpaceX content creators captured the moment in detail, with clips showing the incident unfolding around 4 a.m. on Friday. While this particular failure was relatively contained, past incidents have seen fiery debris raining from the sky, underscoring the risks inherent in pushing the boundaries of space technology. The Super Heavy booster is a critical component of Starship, SpaceX's colossal, fully reusable rocket designed to carry massive payloads. Weighing a staggering 5,000 tons and standing taller than a 30-story building at over 400 feet, this rocket is a marvel of engineering. So far, Starship has achieved 11 successful launches, each costing over $100 million, with 5 ending in less than ideal outcomes. SpaceX's ultimate goal: to use Starship for lunar and Martian missions, revolutionizing space travel as we know it. And this is where it gets even more intriguing. Despite this recent setback, SpaceX has been dominating the space industry. Since 2024, the company has been responsible for 86% of the global payload mass sent to space. The cost per kilogram to launch into orbit has plummeted by 95% since the shuttle era, with SpaceX's Falcon 9 costing 20 times less than NASA's Space Shuttle. Yet, competitors are emerging, with companies like Blue Origin and Relativity Space investing heavily to challenge SpaceX's lead. So, here's the burning question: can SpaceX maintain its dominance in the face of technical challenges and growing competition? Or will this latest failure slow down its ambitious plans? Let us know your thoughts in the comments. This is one debate you won't want to miss.